Hi everyone. Welcome to WHATTA Creation. The concept of creating DIY fairy houses using waste materials has gained popularity over the years, as people have become more environmentally conscious. It is a great way to reuse waste materials, and reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills. In addition, it is an excellent way to express creativity and showcase artistic skills. It's a win-win situation where you get to have fun, while contributing to a sustainable planet. Creating DIY fairy houses using waste materials is an excellent example of upcycling. Upcycling is the process of repurposing waste materials and transforming them into something useful or beautiful. It's a great way to reduce waste and save money, as you can create something new from something you already have. One of the best things about creating DIY fairy houses using waste materials is that it doesn't require any special skills or equipment. All you need is some waste material, glue, and imagination. You can use any waste material you have lying around the house, such as cardboard boxes, old jars, scrap paper, and more. You can even use natural materials like leaves, twigs, and stones to add an extra level of creativity and sustainability to your project. The process of creating DIY fairy houses using waste materials is also incredibly fun and engaging. It allows you to unleash your creativity and experiment with different colors, textures, and materials. You can let your imagination run wild and create a fairy house that is truly unique and reflects your personality. It's an excellent way to unwind and distress while engaging in an enjoyable and fulfilling activity. Creating DIY fairy houses using waste materials is also an excellent way to teach children about sustainability. Children learn best through hands-on activities, and creating a fairy house using waste materials is a great way to get them interested in sustainability. It's a fun and interactive way to teach children about the importance of recycling, reusing, and reducing waste. It also allows them to develop their creativity and imagination while learning valuable life skills. Another benefit of creating DIY fairy houses using waste materials is that it is a great way to bond with family and friends. It's an excellent way to spend quality time together while engaging in a fun and creative activity. It allows you to share ideas, exchange tips, and work together towards a common goal. It's a fantastic way to build relationships and create memories that will last a lifetime. Finally, creating DIY fairy houses using waste materials is an excellent way to contribute to a sustainable planet. Every little effort counts when it comes to sustainability, and creating a fairy house using waste materials is one way to make a positive impact. It reduces the amount of waste that goes to landfills, and it encourages others to follow suit and adopt sustainable practices in their daily lives. In conclusion, creating DIY fairy houses using waste materials is a fantastic idea that combines creativity and sustainability. It's a fun and engaging activity that allows you to showcase your artistic skills while contributing to a sustainable planet. It's a great way to reduce waste, teach children about sustainability, bond with family and friends, and make a positive impact on the environment. So why not give it a try and create your own fairy house using waste materials today?